Hi, welcome to Flash Friday, and this week we've got an early years trampoline which we feel is perfect for enhancing your outdoor areas, promoting a healthy lifestyle through fun and exciting exercise, and how better to do it through this early years trampoline. So we know there are other trampolines out there, however this has some really good positive features which I'd like to show you. The first thing is the stopper feet, which just keep it level, and obviously it's got a really substantial wide base as well. The other thing is this here, this blue skirt is really tight, stopping children from getting the fingers in. However, even if they do get the fingers underneath, we have an elasticated spring, so there's no metal. So the traditional trampolines where they always make me cringe with how accidents can happen. This is a far safer option, which is again ideal for early years. And then also we've got a nice handle here for children to develop and get some confidence in bouncing, and we just think it's a really good way to promote exercise. The height of the handle is 58 centimeters, and which again perfect for early years. And the width, you're looking at a diameter of 93 centimeters, so it's really lightweight, it's sturdy, and today we have got this on at $69.99 plus VAT, which includes free delivery, and they are in stock at the moment. So if you would like to go ahead, just reply yes please, the name of your nursery and the postcode, and we'll get one of these out to you immediately. Thank you very much.